Good evening, traders. Good evening. Hello, Parveen Kaur. Yesterday I sold after it took liquidity from London high and I lost money. Wait, Mr. Chow. I'll explain you. Wait. So this was the analysis. So Mr. Chow. So after taking this liquidity, okay, after taking this liquidity, you sold. I clearly told you you need to wait for a clear change of character. Hello, brothers. Good evening. Welcome to our stream. I hope I am audible. So, Mr. Chow, you always look for a change of character. Okay, so you always wait for a change of character in the small time frame. So, as you can see over here in the 3 minutes also, this is the swing. Okay, this is the swing. So, market never tested this low. Okay, or else market didn't even tested this demand zone. Okay, so as you can see, again up, again up. Okay, so what market did is market, after hunting this liquidity, 1 hour liquidity, okay, after hunting this liquidity, 1 hour liquidity, market came down. Okay, traders, and I have already shown you each and everything. So as you can see over here, so this was the 60% level that we were following. So as you can see, pinpoint, we have the 70% level which I have marked now. Okay, so this is the 70% level, and now as you can see, traders, from the exact 70% level and after clearing the 1 hour supply, okay, so we came down. ब्रोकर कौन सा यूज करे, एक्सएम, वांटेज और आईसी मार्केट? So, brother, if you are looking for proper trading, fast execution, each and everything, so you go with XM and fast withdrawals also, okay. And overall, if you need spreads and like that, so you go with Vantage, okay. Both are wonderful funded, not funded account, sorry, broker. Both are number 2 3 brokers. Okay, so number 1 is XNES, number 2 is XM, and number 3 is Vantage. Okay, so if you are looking for fast withdrawals, so you can go with XM. Okay, so little bit spreads, like little bit, very minute difference. Okay. Okay, traders, so we'll come back to our analysis. So Mr. Chow, you understood, bro? You go with XM, bro. Ish happy, you go with XM, bro. If you need quick withdrawals, and minimum withdrawal is $15 in XM, and minimum withdrawal is $30 in Vantage. Okay, so links are in the description. Links are in the description. So if you want to support us, you can support us. Okay, so you can benefit if you open link. If you open account under our link, then in future you will get a lot of benefits. Okay, Mr. Chow, yes, brother, my bad. Yes, bro, you didn't wait for change of character, my friend. Until and unless we don't get a change of character, so we don't get involved, bro. Okay, so on the 3 minute time frame also, as you can see, so this was the move. which gave this breakout. Okay, I told you, bro, yesterday stream I told you, bro, we need some change of character. Okay, so we need some change of character, and then only we can plan our entries, bro. So now we are working with market structure. So don't plan your entries randomly. So only work with market structure, proper market structure. Okay, so this was the move, resistance, move, resistance, again move, resistance. Okay, so this is all together. So as you can see, market gave a breakout here. Okay, okay, we'll start today's analysis. Just a moment. Let's go, traders. Smash that like button. Let's go. So now other traders will be joining. Okay, so make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. Okay, so now today onwards we will be working on supply demand as well. Okay, so with market structure we'll be working in supply and demand. So Mr. Chow, please let me know what was your lot size and what was your risk. Why is London fully sideways? Is it because Asia has done most of its part? We'll discuss, brother. We'll discuss, Mr. Chow. So please let us know what was your risk reward and what is the loss amount or percentage. Mr. Chow, please let us know. So we will start our analysis. Okay. So let other traders join. Okay, funded account. Is it funded account? Hello, hello, hello. Welcome traders. Welcome new viewers. Welcome to our stream. So make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. So we are. So let's go. We are today live. So today is Feb 24th, Tuesday. Okay. So today, as you can see, traders, today we don't have any news event. We have some news event. FOMC member speaks. FOMC member speaks. Okay. And rest. And rest, as you can see, traders, 8 p.m. we have FOMC member speaks. And again, 8:30 p.m. we have the CB consumer confidence, Richmond manufacturing index. Okay, so wholesale inventories. So overall we have some low impact news events and the medium impact news event. Okay. Broke right now, but I took loan because Robert. Bro, it's okay. Hello, Paul. Hello, brother. I hope you're doing good. Very good evening. Thanks for joining in, bro. Mr. Chow, bro, you don't do trading like that, bro. Okay, so maybe today I explain you guys the entry strategy. So make sure, let's go. You smash that like button. Let's go, traders. If I get enough likes, then I will be revealing my entry strategy. So where you can flip your accounts. Okay, so literally you can flip your accounts 10x, 50x, 100x. Okay, so like that. Mr. Chow, you don't take loan, so you don't lose money that you cannot afford to lose it, bro. If you have 200, then hold 200. You are risking. That is the wrong way, brother. That is the wrong way. Okay. If you don't understand risk management, then you can ping me. I'll explain you each and everything. Okay, risk management, regarding risk management. So, bro, don't do like that. Okay, so don't use depth. Yes, brother. We are a family, brother. I'll reveal my strategy for you, bro. Why are you worrying, bro? But don't do like that, bro. Don't borrow money from someone and then you risk whole amount. Don't do it like that, bro. I'll give you a simple way. Okay, simple way. So even if you have 200 or $100, okay, so you can build your wealth, bro. You can start, you know, taking small risks and how you can get big returns. So that strategy I'll explain you. And rest, I'm there with you while trading. So you don't trade without my consent. Okay, so you just ask me on Telegram before entering. You just ask me on Telegram whether this entry is good. Should I enter in the sell side? Should I enter in the buy side? So please, uh, just confirm with me. Okay, I'm here to help you, brother, so don't worry. Okay, so you can just ping me and get connected with me. So don't trade randomly, brother. Why losing your hard-earned money, bro? Okay, so the all right, traders, so let's go. So let's not waste any time. So let's start our analysis. So already market structure is done. Okay, so now I'll be deleting this. Okay, so what market did was market came downwards after hitting the 1 hour supply. Okay, so this was the 1 hour supply that we marked yesterday. So as you can see, traders, this was the 1 hour supply. So after hitting that 1 hour supply, we came down. Okay, and also our Fibonacci level was hit, 70% level, Fibonacci level. So as you can see over here. Okay, traders, so this was the level and you can see 70% Fibonacci level hit. Okay, and after hitting the 70%, market is retracing. I already told you, traders, retracement is there, but how you can enter those retracements, how you can catch those entries, so you need to have some knowledge about market structure. Okay, so you see, traders, you need some break of structure below, you need some fractal change of character to catch these moves. Okay, so you at least need some basic knowledge that I am ready to help you. So you watch my streams regularly, okay, and support me. So I'll delete this, traders. Okay, I'll delete this. So let's have a look at the fundamentals. Okay, so we already saw that there is no high impact news event today. Okay, so let's go, traders, smash that like button. Let's go, let's complete 20 likes. Welcome, brother, welcome, Mr. Chow. Yes, bro, I'll help you, bro. So you stay connected with me, bro. So don't lose your hard-earned money. I'll help you, bro. So you don't trade randomly. So just ask me if this entry is correct or if this area is correct to buy or sell. Okay, so I'll definitely confirm with you, brother. Praveen madam, Praveen Kaur ma'am, I read your comment. Okay, so I already told you good evening. If you're watching, who else is watching? Please let me know in the comment section. Let's go traders. Let's complete 20 likes. Okay, so first we will take a look at the news fundamentals, I mean, and then we will move on to our technicals. Okay, gold holds pullback below 5200. So as you can see traders over here, gold holds moderate losses below 5200 in European trading on Tuesday. Okay, so though it lacks follow through selling following the previous day, US Donald President Trump's new global tariff and the subsequent bounce and the US dollar attracts fresh buyers ahead of mid-tier data and Fed speak. Okay, so dollar also we need to do analysis, okay, on a daily basis, dollar index. So we forget dollar index. Okay, so what's happening in the dollar index? Overall, dollar index is in a recovery mode. Okay, so dollar index is in a recovery mode. So let's check monthly, weekly. So as you can see traders, dollar is moving in this range. Okay, so still dollar index is trying to find demand. Okay, dollar index is trying to find demand. So we have demand all over until here, this region. Okay, so if you are not holding this region, then definitely we have demand here. But if we continue from this demand right here, okay, so we might continue. Okay traders, so we have some FVGs to fill. Okay, so maybe we go to fill these FVGs. So maybe we do this, and weekly time frame, let's have a look. So weekly time frame also, you can see traders, this was the breakout. Okay, and this is the current swing we're trading in, and still we are like sideways inside that swing. So that's what I said, market is trying to find demand, okay, from the key levels. Okay, so this is what's happening in dollar index. Okay, so if we keep continuing from here, so at least we have possibilities here until this FVG. Okay, so as you can see, this is the FVG, small FVG. So we have possibilities until this FVG. So continuation possibility is there. Okay, so overall market is bullish, but sideways and all is hurting the trend. Okay, so there's a sideways. Okay, so gap also filled, and structure, as you can see, daily we are in a down structure. Okay, so daily structure is down structure, as you can see, down moves. Okay, but in the weekly and monthly, up move. So overall in the long term, gold is bullish. Okay, in short, I mean, sorry, dollar is bullish in short. Okay, so dollar is bullish in short. Okay, no problem. So we are expecting a bullish candle today in dollar index. So as you can see traders, this was a beautiful recovery. Okay, this was a beautiful recovery. So as you can see this candle, so this was a beautiful recovery yesterday, and today it looks like we are following this trend. Okay, so we are following this trend. It looks like people are interested in this recovery trend because you can see we are following this from the past, and this was the resistance that was stopping this trend. Okay, and after some retracement, so as you can see traders, market is beautifully recovering again. So I think this resistance will also be done as of now. Okay, so we are expecting a bullish candle overall today. Okay, so as you can see traders, this is the gold as of now. So yesterday I told you traders, market will come down. Okay, market will come down after some break of structure, okay, to downside. So some of you entered early, so no problem traders. So yesterday was our stream, so Monday, Tuesday, so let's get aligned. Okay, so first don't start trading immediately. So first get aligned with our strategies. Okay, so today we will work on supply demand. Okay traders, so today we are going to work on supply demand also. So make sure you join our Telegram channel traders. So don't miss joining Telegram channel. Let's go traders, we need to complete 20 likes. Let's go traders. So we need more viewers. Okay, so let's go. So this is our swing currently. So from yesterday itself I gave each and everything. Okay, so let's have a revision. So as you can see traders, this is our trend, and already we know that in the weekly and the daily market is up. Okay, market is up, bullish. So we got a change of character over here. So as you can see, this was the last downswing. After this change of character, continuation, and suddenly market gave us this move. Okay, breaking this everything. Okay, showcasing strength, showcasing bullish strength, showcasing bullish power. Okay, showcasing bullish takeover. But what I told you is traders, this is a very premium zone, so I am not looking buys in this premium zone. Okay, so I already told you yesterday. So that's why we were waiting for some discount prices. Okay, so today also we are waiting for some discount prices, and if we get an opportunity, if we get an opportunity to sell, then definitely we would like to get involved in selling. Okay traders, so we are at least expecting 50% of this 15-minute swing. Okay, so at least we are expecting 50%, and then we have the 70% and the 60% as well. Okay, so these are the basically demand levels, and yesterday I also gave you some liquidity levels over here. So as you can see, we have some leftover liquidities over here. Okay, so this is a liquidity. All right traders, so internal liquidity, so we have a lot of internal liquidity this range. Okay, and this is the 70% range. So if I show you once again, let me show you. Okay, so you can mark from here until here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 50%. Okay, so you mark accordingly. So because the trend is now this one. Okay, and this is the 70%. Okay, okay traders, so at least we are expecting price until here. Okay, so see what happens is now 5 minutes we have this structure. Okay, 5 minutes we have this structure. So now what happens is once we break this structure, so there will be a retracement. Okay, so there will be a retracement and then again a continuation. Okay, towards our 50% level. So first target is the 50% level, and if we are coming in more deep demand levels, so definitely we will be touching this 70%, 78% zones, and also we will be testing these liquidity levels. So maybe after hitting these levels, you know, creating sellers, then the market might continue upside. Okay, and this is a pure perfect optimal price entry zone. Okay, so you don't buy so premium on so premium price. Okay, so you wait for the discount pricing. Okay traders, so now we will be doing our analysis over here. So so this is the swing. Okay, so this is the main swing. Okay, just a moment traders, I'll be having my tea. Okay, so just a moment traders, I'll keep the screen like this. Okay, so it's evening time, so I'm just having my tea, so just a moment. Hello traders, hello. So make sure you smash that like button. Okay, so we are back. So let's start our analysis. Okay, traders. So let's work on our supply and demand levels. Okay. So first, let's mark the liquidity. So as you can see, traders, market created these sellers, and this candle is now turning upside down. Okay. So this is the weekly candle. Okay. I hope I'm audible. So if there's any issue, please let me know. Okay. So traders, as you can see, from here we got a beautiful push, okay, above, and from here we are getting a rejection. So in the daily time frame, as you can see, so we have FVG here. Okay, so we have FVG here, so that is also a clue. So FVG is exactly near around 5117. Okay, so 5117 and 5108 area, 517 5108 area. 5108. So as you can see, traders, this is the area 5108. Okay, so this is the FVG in the daily time frame. Okay, so that is why it is important. So this is in the daily time frame. Okay, so this FVG is in the daily time frame, so that's why it is important. So daily time frame rest, we have buyer stop loss. Okay, continues. So everywhere there are buyers. Okay, so there are buyers. So all this is a demand zone. Okay, all this is a demand zone. Now this is the FVG, and also we are in a bullish move, so maybe we tap into this FVG and then continue our bullish structure. Okay, so also as you can see, we already made a bullish structure. Okay, so this is the bullish structure. The point is only that we are waiting for that discount price. Okay, so we want price to retrace. Okay, so price never goes straight up. Okay, so price goes up or down, price moves bearish and bullish into swings. Okay, so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. There's always retracement. Okay, so this is the retracement. Okay traders, so rest I've explained you. We have stop losses here. Okay, so all the stop losses below these candles, it's liquidity. Okay traders, let's go traders, we need to complete 20 likes, so make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. So we need more views, we need more viewers. So let's move on to 15 minutes time frame, and let's split the sessions so we know better So this is the start of the Asian session. Okay, and this is the London session. Okay, traders, this is beginning of the Asian session. Okay, and now pre US session is already open. Okay, I'm sorry. So this is the opening. Okay, and here is our London opening. Okay, and this is our pre-US session. I hope my voice is loud and clear. So please let me know if you have any issues. Okay, Twitter. So this is Asia, I mean. Asian session. Okay, this is the Asian session. So same way, this is the London session. Okay, traders. So we can see all sellers being involved. So yesterday I told you traders, yesterday or today, so market will fall because market has to complete that retracement. Okay. Also I told you market can make new highs. Okay. So when this breakout happen, I already told you. So after this, market can build buyers from here. Okay. So if you remember, I already told you traders. So that is why you follow the plan. Okay. So I already told you after this breakout. So you can see here, market will make build those buyers. Okay. And then start its bearish move. Okay, so anyways traders, don't worry and you don't risk your whole money at once. Okay, so you plan. I'll be sharing my strategy, my entries technique, so how you can flip your accounts very easily. Okay, so very easily, very effectively, how you can flip your accounts. So that will be a game changer for you. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and also join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So tomorrow I'm going to start our stream from London session and it will be continue until the US session. Okay, and soon our streaming our live stream will be started from the Asian session itself. Okay, and we will cover Asian plus London plus US. So we will be covering all the sessions. Okay, so no matter where you're trading from, so you can trade anytime. Okay traders, so you got it. So this is the FVG in the daily. Okay, also we have some gap over here. So rest this coming week we will be covering engulfing. Okay, so we will be covering engulfing. Okay, so engulfing is very important. Engulf theories we will be covering engulfing. So this will be a life changing, game changing chapter for you. Okay, I promise. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and also join our Telegram channel. Make sure you don't skip our videos. Okay, so from today onwards, from this week onwards, so we will be posting educational videos also, and I'll try to cover these educational videos on our live stream itself. Okay, let's go traders, we need to reach 20 likes, so smash that like button. Let's go. Okay, so now what's happening in this range? So now we know the we know the picture, so we know the whole picture what's happening. Okay, so this was the 4-hour swing. Okay, so this is the 4-hour swing, and initially we were respecting the 60% level, and now we are respecting 70% level over here. I'm sorry, over here 70% level. Okay, and also we know that the trend is already changed. Okay, so this was the lower low, this was the lower low, lower low, and now the trend is changed. Okay, so we already know that, and in the daily and in the weekly time frame we saw that the market is bullish. Okay, so market is bullish, so we are simply expecting price below this 50% level, or minimum until this 50% level. We need a better discounted pricing. Okay, we need a better discounted pricing, and then we will be searching for buy entries. We will be searching for buy entries. So once we know that, we know each and everything. Okay, so we know the whole scenario. Okay, when we know the whole scenario, so what we can do is we can use supply and demand. Okay, okay, so what happened here, let's see. So as you can see traders, market is now in a struggling range. Okay, so as you can see, let's draw this. Okay, so we will be covering this live. Okay, so we will be covering this live market data feed. Okay, so whatever is happening, so we will be covering all every market structure swing. Okay, from Asian to London, so we don't miss anything. So you don't match both of these. Okay, so as you can see traders, this was the area that market was holding. Okay, so as you can see, so this was the area market was holding. Okay, market was holding continuously, but when you see the price action, so there are no higher highs. Okay, there are no higher high, or there is no higher high swing. Okay, so as you can see, this was the move down again and the breakout, and this is the block that the market has been following. This is the this is the supply level that the market has been following. Okay, so you only need to identify this. So this is very important. Okay, so then what you can do is you can mark this supply. So now as you can see over here, we have multiple stop losses. Just a moment. What's happening here is, as you can see, we have multiple stop losses. Okay, below. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So we have multiple stop losses here, so definitely price will be breaking this. Okay, so what we can do is after retracement. Okay, after retracement. Okay, so as you can see traders, market spent a lot of time. Okay, a lot of time inviting buyers. Okay, so as you can see traders over here, so this was what, this was Asian session. Okay, so this was London session. So that is why I have written this note just for just for visuals. Okay, so that we understand. So traders, as you can see, market spent a lot of time. Okay, so these wicks, we don't consider wicks. Okay, so we don't consider wick as power. So power is equal to candle body. Okay, so the bigger the body, the bigger the power. So you don't focus on the wicks or shadow anything. So let's go traders, new viewers, smash that like button. Okay, so as I told you, we have multiple stop losses here below. Okay, and as you can see traders, from the Asian session until the London session, market was continuously inviting the buyers. Okay, but as I told you traders, this is a very premium price. This is a very premium price to buy. Okay, this is a very premium price to buy. That's why people are traders are not interested in buying. Okay, so so as you can see, from Asian to London, market tried to invite buyers. Okay, but buyers were not interested somehow. Okay, and finally the market is giving its original move, intended move, its original intended move. Okay, so we wanted that retracement. Okay, so we wanted that healthy retracement, but let's see. Okay, in the 5 minutes we already got the retracement. Okay, so as you can see, so here was our entry. So like this we will be covering live data feed. Okay traders, once we know the market structure, once we know each and everything, so what's the swing going on. Okay, so once for example, once we know we are in a bullish move. Okay, so we are in a bullish move, so then we can plan our entries, buy entries, sell entries accordingly. We are against the trend or we are with the trend, so whatever. So if we know each and everything, so then only we can trade like this. Okay, using market structure. Because if you don't know the context, if you don't know market structure, so then you cannot trade with supply and demand. Okay traders, so rest, what are the other clues? So let's find out. Okay, new viewers, as you can see, I already shown this. So we have FVG over here in the daily time frame, and as you can see in the weekly time frame and the daily time frame, I already told you market took that retracement and market is moving upside slowly. Okay, market is moving slowly towards upside direction. Let's go traders, smash that like button. Let's go traders, we need to complete 20 likes. Okay traders, all the analysis, each and everything is for free. Okay traders, so I'm helping you guys. Okay, so all you need to do is smash that like button. Let's go. So we have daily FVG over here. Okay, so we have one more extra confluence. Okay traders, we have one more extra confluence, and rest I have already explained you from yesterday. So we are waiting for that discounted price. Okay, so we don't know where's the discounted price until where the market can come. Market could liquidate these. Okay, so we are ready for this plan also. Okay, so you make multiple plans. Okay, so you make multiple plans when you know the market structure, so then you work with multiple plans. So now this is a reversal trade. Okay, so this is a reversal trade into our fib levels and then the continuation into our demand levels and then the continuation. So those who are the new members, let me show you once. Okay, so as you can see over here, so this is the weekly swing that we are working in, and after this retracement slowly we are moving upside. Okay, slowly we are moving upside. So this is the daily. Okay, so daily same. So this is the swing. So after retracement we are slowly moving upside. Okay, but in the 4 hour things are different. Okay, so as you can see, we have this lower low swing. Okay, bearish swing. So first we were expecting 60%, and after this now we rejected from 70% level. Okay, I'll show you once again. So as you can see, traders, 70%. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, stream will be started in the London session itself. Okay, traders. So let's go, traders. Smash that like button. Let's go. We need to complete 20 likes. Let's go. Okay, so this was a beautiful sell entry, and we missed it already. Okay, so as you can see, traders, after this breakout, so market took that retracement and market is continuing. Okay, so we will be doing scalping on daily basis. Okay, we will try to cover every session. So any doubts, any queries, please let me know in the comment section, traders. Let's go. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. Rest, do we have any other levels? Let's see. Okay, so this is the FVG available near the gap. Okay, so I'll delete this. Near this gap, 1 hour, I mean daily FVG is there. Okay, active. So 1 hour perspective, we don't have anything. So this is the 5 minutes swing, traders. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes last previous swing. Okay, and now the price is on the optimal entry level. Okay, so as you can see, I'll show you over here. Okay, so market took exact support from this level, 78% optimal entry level. Okay, traders, so that is why following market structure is very important. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. Let's go, traders. So you can watch my streams regularly so that it will help your analysis. Okay, traders, so let's check out some volume. Let's check out some volume. So what's the buy volume here? Okay, traders, so as you can see, we have some bullish volume here. Okay, we have some bullish volume here in this range. Okay, almost near 60-70% level. Okay, so basically minimum until 50% we have expectations. Okay, so now what we want to do is we already missed a selling level. Okay, so we already missed a selling level over here, and also I am sure you might have missed this selling level. So this is the liquidity. Okay, so here we have the liquidity, multiple liquidity all together. Okay, so all together we have triple bottom. Now market created a fresh new bottom, so we have triple bottom. Okay, and this was a beautiful sell entry after this. Okay, so this was the sell entry zone, because as you can see, traders, from the Asian session itself, market was trying to invite buyers. Okay, but buyers are too smart. Buyers are too smart. I mean, they didn't enter the positions. Okay, so just like retailers, just this is all retail data. Okay, so as you can see, now US session, so market is showing its real intended move. Okay, traders. So why market came over here? Okay, so we have reason. So as you can see, yesterday I told you, I've shown you this supply level. Okay, I've already marked this supply level. So here also we have supply level. Okay, so here also we have supply level. Okay, traders. So as you can see, market liquidated that supply level. Okay, so this is the supply level. So market liquidated the supply level and then moving down. Okay, so you always remember in future, so market will always liquidate and then continue. Okay, so now the whole market scenario is turned bearish. Okay, until this retracement, okay, so we are not swing our swing is not bullish. Okay, swing bias is not bullish. This is just intraday bias today, which is applicable until today. Okay, so today what we are expecting, at least minimum price touching 50% level. Okay, so we get some discounted price, so we are not going to buy. Okay, so just remember traders, hitting a level doesn't mean hitting a level doesn't mean that we need to buy. Okay, so just imagine we hit 50% level, so it doesn't mean we buy. So we wait for a confirmation, we wait for retracement, we wait for a confirmation. Okay, so then only we execute our position. So now also we have a long way to go. Okay, so as you can see traders, so this is the lower high. Okay, and this is the higher high. Okay, this is the lower high and this is the this is the higher high. Okay, okay traders, this is the higher high. So when we will be breaking the lower low, okay, and I already shown you that we are holding the exact 70-80% optimal entry, okay, of this range, of this 5-minute range. Okay, so we will be breaking this, we will be making a new low. Okay, so maybe we don't touch it, maybe we touch it. Okay, 50% level after breaking this low, I mean when the price will be breaking this low, so maybe we touch it, maybe we don't touch it. Okay, we will be making a retracement, that is for sure. Okay, so because this swing will be created, okay, because this breakout swing will be successful, so when the price will break this, so this breakout will be activated. So this is change of character, in the smaller time frame. Okay, our 15 minutes is bullish. Okay, so here as you can see bro, our 15 minutes is bullish. So this was the bearish swing, and from here as you can see, in the 5 minutes we got that change of character. Okay, so in the 5 minutes we got that change of character, and in the weekly and the daily we already had that bullish view. Bro, I want to learn trade, I'm new, may you prefer me some time? Yes bro, definitely bro, I'll help you out. I'm here to help all the beginners. Okay, so I'm here to help all our community members. So make sure brother you join our Telegram channel, subscribe to our channel. Okay, so I'll be teaching you from basics. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, yes bro, it's really amazing bro. Welcome bro, welcome to our stream. Lots of love from India brother, lots of love to Poland. Okay, so as you can see traders, this is the swing currently we are trading in. This is the 5-minute swing. Okay, so yeah, I was showing you. So as you can see traders, this is the lower low, and now we have that 15 minutes higher high. Okay, so we have that 15 minutes higher high. So within that 15 minutes we have some small 5 minutes structures. Okay, so that I'm following. Okay, so that's just extra work. So marking this 15 minutes structure is okay. So but for your understanding, so I've shown each and everything. How to predict it? Brother, you need to learn market structure, brother. Market structure is everything. Okay, so market works in swings. So all you need to do is you learn market structure, learn volume, and have patience. Okay, work on your psychology. So market works on swings. So this is bullish swing, high. Okay, so lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, and downswing market will be coming in this swing. Okay, so you need to be able to identify these swings. Okay, so you need to be able to identify these swings, then only market will be easier for you. Okay, traders, so rest your 50% job is done already. Volume, brother, volume means what amount of buyers and sellers are available in here. Okay, in this every transaction. So each candle shows you a transaction. Okay, traders, so green candle shows you there's bullish transaction, and red candle shows you that there's sell supply transaction. Okay, so so the more I mean the majority, I mean the if the sellers are in majority, so the sellers win, the market is bearish. If bullish buyers are in majority, so market will be bullish. Okay, so market is in uptrend. If there are that is how market works on supply and demand. Okay, trader, so you can bro, you can work with supply and demand. So that is the very basic. Okay, so that is the very basic understanding of the market. So understand supply demand market structure, and then you can also learn volume. Okay, and then you will be good to go. So start practicing on demo. It's only for go every market, bro. Every market is same, bro. Wherever you see candles, so all these terminologies apply everywhere. Okay, so this is universal. So these terminologies are universal in trading. So brother, you can ping me on Telegram. Okay, so I will explain you each and everything over there. So this is this stream is for analysis. Okay, so we focus on analysis, brother. Okay, so if you have any doubts and queries, please feel free to ask, and make sure you connect with me on Telegram, brother. So I'll explain you in detail. Okay. All right, traders, so as you can see, I already told you after breaking this lower low. Okay, so after breaking this lower low, or I mean pullback is expected. Okay, so a pullback is expected again into these supply levels, and then we are expecting market to fall. Okay, towards our 50% level minimum. Okay, but we will not place a buy order here, so don't do that mistake. Okay, Mr. Chow, if you're watching, so don't buy randomly, okay, anywhere, or don't sell randomly anywhere. So I'll explain you, Mr. Chow, you also message me on Telegram, so I'll explain you the basic, bro. So don't risk your hard-earned money anywhere. Okay, so take your time, and trading is like a business. Okay, so if you want to enter into this world, so you make sure you have patience to follow discipline. Okay, so discipline is very important, and consistent. You have to be consistent, you have to be disciplined. Okay, so you don't take tens of thousands of trades per day. Okay, so you plan your entry, you make a context, you make some picture, and then you work on that scenario. So you don't trade random. Okay, so here as you can see traders, we have a scenario. Okay, so we have a basic understanding. So we know that weekly and daily is bullish. Okay, and the rest 4 hours is just lower low, I mean the bearish trend. Okay, but rest we know that this trend is also done. Okay, so basically this is a premium price. Okay, so this price is not good for buyers. So basically we are waiting for a discounted price. That's it traders. Okay, so here from here anywhere in between this, so I am expecting market to go bullish. Okay, so today also market will be bearish. Okay, so now official bearish move is started. So let's see how we can continue. So as you can see traders, this level was very important. So as you can see, so market tried, okay, market tried to invite buyers. So market tried to invite buyers here. Okay, so as you can see over here, market tried to invite buyers, but buyers were not interested, and now it looks like market is showing its true color. Okay, so what you can do is you can use different moving averages for your entries. Okay, so like this 9 and 15 moving average. Okay, so this could be a good entry again. So this is a 15 minutes retracement. Okay traders, so already as you can see, these buyers are all out. These buyers are all out, and our strong selling is also confirmed. Okay, so a lot of possibilities that the market would be starting a sell move from here. Okay, again traders, I have explained you in our market structure. So already we are bullish. Okay, so as you can see like this, so we got the change of character over here. Okay, so we got the change of character over here. Yes bro, we are sell side bro, we are sell side. Yesterday also I told you brother Namzi, you can see over here, so we already made that change of character. Okay, so breaking two structures. So basically we are waiting for that discounted price. Use Fibonacci from here until here. So you can get these levels 50% and 60-70% level. So we are just waiting for discounted price. So from their discounted price we want to buy. So this is a counter trend. Yes bro, no problem. Raid. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry if I pronounce it wrong. I'm extremely sorry. No problem, brother. You can connect with me anytime, brother. Anytime. Don't worry. So we will be streaming regularly, bro. It's good. You help your mom. Always help your mom, bro. Very good. Okay, traders. So what is your bias, traders? Anyone? So if you want to help our community, so let's go, traders. So comment section is there. And Namzi, as you can see traders, I told you brother, so we made a change of character now. Okay, so I don't know if you followed our market structure videos. So already we have discussed that in the weekly and in the daily time frame we are bullish. Okay, so only 4 hour was bearish. So now as you can see in the 15 minutes we got the change of character, and market works according to market structure. Okay, it's 100% mechanical. Okay traders, so whatever you see, that's the market structure. So if market structure is positive, so then we go positive. Okay, yes bro, welcome bro, welcome. All right, so there's a possibility that we will continue and we will be hunting these buyers. Okay, because market, if we are going to retrace until here, if we are retracing until 50% minimum, so we have to break this structure. Okay, so first thing first, we are waiting for this structure break. Okay, so as you can see traders, we are waiting for this structure break that I have already drawn over here. We are waiting for this structure break. Okay, so we are hoping that market will continue directly from here, targeting this. Okay, so and you can plan your stop loss above this 915 EMA or whatever EMA you're using for intraday purpose. Okay, so you can plan your stop losses here. I already told you. Okay traders, so actually we missed this entry. We were a little bit late. From here, from tomorrow onwards we will be starting our stream in the London session. Yes bro, brother, you do one thing, you join Telegram channel, so there I'll drop my link, so you DM me bro. Okay, so make sure you smash that like button. Let's go traders. So what do you think traders, market will liquidate these two levels, or are you bullish? Let me know traders, let's go help our community. Okay, so what market was doing, market was building buyers over here. So as you can see, market worked hard. Okay, so market worked hard in this range in the Asian session and the London sessions, but the buyers were too smart. They were not interested. As you can see, market didn't make any high continuation. Okay, so that means market was sideways and buyers were not interested. Okay, so they already knew this was a trap. Okay traders, so now after the breakout, we want that continuation. We want that continuation. Also we can use this trend line as of now just for that extra confluence. Okay, so at least let's hope for this breakout. Okay, so after this breakout and lower low, then the market will retrace. Okay traders, market will retrace. So some people, what they do is they exactly enter here. They exactly enter, then they are little bit profitable, and then boom, all of a sudden market retraces. Okay, so you never do that mistake bro. Okay, so we are hoping for this continuation. So any of you are involved in this sell trades, then it's good. Hold your trade and hold your trade with proper stop loss. Okay, so we will be covering live market data like this. Okay, so like this in from tomorrow onwards. Okay traders, so today little bit late. I am a trader bro. I am also analyst plus trader. Okay, so I trade my personal accounts, funded accounts. Okay, but as of now I am on a leave. Okay, so I am not trading, I am focusing on our community. So community trusted me a lot. Okay, so I want to give back something to the community, so I am going to use all of my knowledge to help my community. Okay, Let's go traders, let's go, let's complete 20 likes. Let's go traders. So all new viewers, we work with market structure and supply demand. Okay traders, so if you want market structure, perfect market structure analysis, so make sure subscribe to our channel. Welcome brother, welcome. Thank you so much for joining in. Make sure you smash that like button. So soon I will get connected with you on Telegram. Okay, so I'll explain you even more about trading. So we are hoping for that continuation. Okay. Yes, bro. Discord also possible. No problem, bro. Yeah. I'll help you, bro. I'll help you. Okay. So don't lose your hard-earned money. So don't try to take loan from somewhere and then you risk that money into the market. Okay. So don't do that. So I'm going to give you my entry strategy. Okay, so where you can flip your accounts. You can flip your accounts minimum 5x, 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x. Okay, with a simple and effective way. Okay, traders. May you add me? Yeah, bro. I told you, bro. Please join Telegram channel. So soon I'll, after this stream, so I'll give you my, I give you my ID and then you can DM me, bro. Don't rebel your ID or anything over here, or else anyone can scam you, bro. Okay. All right, let's go traders. So we are hoping for that continuation. Okay, so we are hoping for that continuation. We are minimum hoping for this liquidity takedown. Okay traders, because we have simple logic over here. So as you can see, if the market needs to reach 50% or 70%, then market definitely has to break this market has to break this structure. Okay, this is internal, this is internal, this is internal. Okay, so as you can see, this is this whole 15 minutes and this boxes, these are internal. Okay, so these are all internal. So at least market has to break this. Okay, so that is 5122. So this is the exact price, 5122. So at least we are we are hoping for this breakout. Yes bro, yes bro. 101% I'll remember about you. From Poland, my friend. Don't worry, bro. Thank you for joining, bro. Make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. Let's complete 20 likes. Okay traders, I'll take a 5 minutes break. I'll just take a 5 minutes break. Okay, so this week we will be covering engulfing chapter, okay, which will be a game changer for you. Okay. Yes bro, I'll text you right after the stream. Which prop firm are you trading? You told that you would be yeah bro, 100k. I'm on my way. So just I'll be buying within 2-3 days. I'll be buying, bro. 5%ers. Okay, so I'm going with 5%ers. So link is in the description. Okay, so you can use this broker. Okay bro, fires.com or 5%ers.com. So as you can see, 4.8 rating on Trustpilot. Okay, so rest you don't need anything. This is a reliable and trusted prop firm, so you can go for it. Let's go traders, let's complete 20 likes. So just give me a 5 minutes break. Okay, I'll be back. How I control my emotion, bro? Most of the time I blew my account due to revenge trading. Yeah, bro, that's a part of psychology, bro. So that's why we say 90% is psychology and 10% is our strategy. Okay, so definitely I'll help you on this one. Okay. So brother, global world, I'll explain you over here. Okay. So brother, just understand, if you have like $100. Okay. So if you have $100, so what happens is you decide risking $10. Let's imagine. Okay. So you decide risking $10. Okay. I'll write it down over here. So you decide risking $10. Okay. You decide you are going to risk $10. So I'll keep it red. This is the risk. Okay, so this is the main capital, this is the risk. So what happens is, so we can initially trade with $10. Okay, so we cannot make that kind of psychology. Okay, so we can also trade with $10 in cent account or something like that. But what happens is we deposit the whole amount and then we end up losing our whole capital. So one thing you can do is, what you can do is, like you have $1,000. If you want to risk $100, then only deposit $100. Okay, only deposit $100. Try to trade with that $100. Try to build that $100. Okay, and regarding my strategy, my entry strategy. Okay, my entry strategy. Okay, regarding my entry strategy, I'll explain you over here. So if you have $100, so using just $100, okay, so using just $100, okay traders, so using just $100, out of this $100 you are using $10 capital. Okay, you are using only $10 capital. So with this capital you can make 10x, you can make 5x. Okay, so this will be the only risk. This capital is different. Okay, so you're using only 10% of your capital. So if you have $1,000, so you can also trade with $10. You can also trade with $100. It totally depends on you. It totally depends on you. Okay, so with using my strategy, you will be able to flip accounts. Okay traders, you will be able to flip accounts. I'm waiting for your support. Thank you in advance. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Definitely. So make sure, brother, you join our Telegram channel. So link is in the description. So there I'll put my ID. So you can ping me, bro. Okay, global world. You can ping me. And my brother from Poland, you can also ping me, brother. So let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. So I'll be explaining the strategy entry technique. So with minimal effect. Okay, so with minimal effect, how you can make big return, I mean big returns or big risk reward. Okay, so this is all you want to know. Okay, so this is all you want. So minimum effect, we are looking for minimum effort, I'm sorry, this is effort actually. Okay, with minimum effort, we are looking for that big risk reward. So how we can do it? So that is my entry technique. So I have worked hard for it. Okay, so you can definitely join us. You make sure you subscribe to our channel. So soon I'll be revealing this strategy so everyone can make use of it. Okay, so now what's happening, as you can see traders, we are making some more buyers in this range. Okay, so because you see we already have buyers over here. Okay, so we already have buyers. Okay, buyers. Okay, so here also price is trying to invite some more buyers. Okay, so here also price is trying to invite some more buyers. So as you can see traders here, as you can see, so many traders will be marking this demand, and they'll be working on this demand. Okay, isn't it? So they'll be using this demand. Okay, and as you can see, price first will show some support, show some positive. Okay, positive, and all of a sudden market will grab this all liquidity below. Okay traders, so that is our plan. Just give me a 5 minutes break. Okay traders, just give me a 5 minutes break, I'll be back. Hello. So thank you for this break. Let's go traders. Let's go. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go traders. Let's smash. Let's smash 20 likes today. So we are just hoping for that continuation. Okay. I told you traders, here we have demand. Okay. And the market is inviting some buyers before that bearish move. Okay, so market has that extra stop losses, latest stop losses. Okay, rest nothing much. Okay, so we are simply waiting this structure to be broken. After this structure break, we are hoping for a retracement and then again continuation towards our level, or else after this structure, this directly move, we can get a direct move. Okay, that's also a possibility. But according to 5 minutes, we can get a retracement. Okay, and I have set my TP to 5122. Yes bro, yes bro, good TP, perfect TP. You can try to capture a few pips below this. Okay, so because we have a gap over here, and I think this gap will be covered. Okay, so little bit extra, 119 120, but let's go 20 pips, it's not a big deal, so you keep it at 122.5. Okay, so you keep it at 122.5. So not a big deal bro, for 20 pips it's not a big deal. Okay, are you also in or waiting? I'm just using small account bro, for just for scalping, not any big amount. Okay, just for scalping purposes, so that visually I can see my trade. Hello brother, hello, welcome back brother. So always eat healthy, and health is wealth, so everyone take care of your health. Okay, so with market structure, you need to have patience bro, you need to have patience. So impatient traders, they'll always get struck. But if you follow market structure 100% mechanical, then definitely you're going to win bro. 60 to 70% is what we can expect, 60 to 70%. Okay, guaranteed, if you do it, follow it with proper rules regulations. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Okay, price is moving now. Okay, okay, we got a breakout. Let's go traders, smash that like button. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, only 3 likes to go. Come on traders. Okay, so this stop loss is done, this stop loss is done. Okay, so we are waiting for this hit, and this is a swing. Okay, this is a swing, and this will give us a change of character. Brother, we need to work with market structure brother. I told you brother, out of 10 trades, okay, out of 10 trades, think of winning more than 5 trades. Okay, think of winning more than 5 trades. You don't need to win 10 out of 10. Okay, you don't need to win 10 out of 10. If your risk reward is good, If your risk reward is good, then even with 5 trades, even with 5 profitable trades, you can be profitable. You can be profitable at the end of the month, at the end of the week, however the situation may be. Okay, so we are waiting, we are hoping for that continuation and the break. Okay, this liquidity, this liquidity hunt. We are waiting for that liquidity hunt. So this will be a swing, not swing, sorry. This will be an internal structure break. Okay, it will be a break of structure, but internal. This is internal. No, bro, no, bro, no long, bro. That's why I'm telling you, bro. Market needs patience, bro. You just now entered this world, bro. So try to be patient. Okay, have patience. You'll come to know each and everything, bro. We are waiting for that continuation. Okay, so now 18 minutes to go. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yes, yes, Mr. Chow. Definitely, definitely. I'll be trading live with you very soon, very soon. Just I need to align with you guys. I'm just aligning all the strategies, all the chart. Okay, so once we have that process, then we can definitely start live trading as well. Yes, 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 Mr. Chow, definitely, brother. Definitely, that's a lot of fun trading with you guys live. So that's what I've dreamt of. I need to build a community, bro. We need a community where we can all trade together. All like-minded people, we can all trade together. Okay, so that's what I am looking for. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and you join Telegram. Okay, so let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. So we are hoping for that continuation. Okay, but still there's some time left for US opening. 16 minutes to go. And as you can see, this is a demand level, so that is why we have some bullish pressure over here. So again and again market inviting buyers. Okay, okay, traders, overall our bias is bullish. Oh, again I'm explaining you. Okay, so overall, so as you can see in the market structure. Okay, so this was the lower low, this was the lower low, and market gave us a change of character over here. Okay, so market gave us a change of character over here. Not only a community, but a community we can build and trust, brother. Win or lose, we are together in this journey. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Your thinking is really good, bro. Yes, yes, that's what we are looking for. Definitely, bro. Definitely. So as you can see, traders, this is the change of character, and basically, as you can see, so when we draw fib over here, okay, from low to high, like this. Okay, traders, so as you can see, this is now this is we have the 50%. So this level is premium level. Okay, so this level is premium level and this level is discount level. So only the thing is we are waiting price to enter into discount levels so that we can plan our buy entries. Okay, so directly we don't buy in the premium zone. Okay, traders. Okay, slow and steady. Market is coming downwards. Ovijit, yes bro. Silver also. I'll try to give you analysis. Also, we are going to start Bitcoin. Okay, so soon we are going to start Bitcoin. So let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. A lot of you trade Bitcoin. I know a lot of you trade Bitcoin. So yesterday I explained you regarding Bitcoin. So let me explain once again. Okay, so a lot of you are watching Bitcoin crypto. Okay, traders, so as you can see in the monthly time frame, so as you can see over here, so this was the resistance. Okay, so this was the resistance after the breakout, after the immediate breakout, retracement, and then the continuation. Okay, so it's almost from 2024 we got that breakout. Okay, and now as you can see, traders, we are testing that zone again. So this price 60,000, 62,000, okay, 50,000 range. So we will never get back. Okay, traders, once you know it goes above this, once after retracing, maybe we come to liquidate this. Okay, so that's another part. We will take a look at this in the future when we start BTC. I'll explain you, bro. I'll explain you. So as you can see over here, maybe we liquidate this. Okay, maybe we liquidate this and then we continue. Okay, once we break this, then in the future, in the coming future, I mean 2030, 2029. Okay, so we will never ever look back at this price again. Okay, so yesterday I explained you this is investing time in crypto. So what you can do is you can earn money from gold and invest it in crypto. Okay, traders. So that's how our plan is. Okay, traders, almost we are on our way to liquidate. So brother, when there are sellers involved, so that's how you know price, this is a resistance. Okay, so as you can see over here, I'll explain you over here. So let me off this indicator. Okay, brother, so you can see over here, price first created a seller. Okay, so as you can see, red candles. So after this, what happened? When again the price tested that level, so again selling started, again selling started, again selling started, again selling started. So that's how we know that is a resistance. Okay, price is resisting this level. So that's why we call that resistance. Got it, brother? So same way demand. So how demand works like this, brother? So you see this is a bullish move, green candle bullish move. Okay, so we have like this. So you see whenever price comes here, price supports, supports, supporting. So this is called support. Okay, in the sell side we call it resistance, in the buy side we call this support. Okay, so you see we are almost on our way to liquidate this level. Okay, traders, so we will be ending stream within some time after US opening. So from tomorrow, I'll try to cover live streaming from the London session itself. Okay, so let's complete 20 likes. Let's go. Yes, bro. You'll come to know, bro. You'll come to know. Now this is our trading stream, bro. Analysis stream. So now here we are not covering those topics. But for you, but for personally you, I'll in future cover those topics, bro. Don't worry, bro. Have patience, bro. Okay, so now you enjoy our live streaming. So if you want to hold, you can hold. Okay, like the problem is, okay, so I'll explain you over here. So we have this gap up. So this is the swing low. Okay, so this is the swing low. So after this breakout, we can make some lower low. I mean, we can make some bearish moves below. Okay, not touching this, not touching this, and then retracing back. Okay, retracing back, because this will be a swing, and then again it will continue like this second move, and after hitting those demand levels, we will continue above. Okay, breaking our structure again. Or else second scenario is like this, market will directly hit 50% level. Okay, so these are the probabilities. So now it depends on you. So we almost caught this selling. We almost caught this selling from this level. Okay, so we were late actually. We were late actually, but still we were able to catch from here. Okay, with market context. Brother, don't end the stream. We will enter together. No, bro, no. Actually, I am not trading as of now. So in the upcoming days, I'll be trading with you. Okay, so you also follow me, bro. So if you have any doubts, please, bro, ping me on Telegram. So I'll help you personally, bro. So you don't worry, bro. You don't worry. So now we will be streaming regularly, consistently. I promise. Okay, so you don't worry, bro. I'm regularly live for you, bro. All right, traders, almost hit, almost hit. So that is why Namzi, you see, I told you 122.5. Okay, target, I told you 122.5, and you can check out over here. You can see that low. Okay, so you can check out the low. The low is 122.8. That's 122.8. So you can exit your positions. Mr. Chow, please have some patience. Okay, so you can ping me on Telegram. So do one thing, join Telegram now. Okay, make sure you join Telegram. So now I am giving you my ID, so you can message me personally. So don't lose your hard-earned money, brother. Okay. So Namzi, I hope you exited your position over here. Okay. So this was a okay move, pretty good move. Okay, almost 300 plus pips. Okay, almost 300 plus pips. And initially we missed this move over here. So as you can see, after this demand breakout, this was our capture. This was our move actually. Okay, so this original move actually was of okay. Okay, just 380 pips. No problem, bro. No problem. Just we missed 50 to 80 pips. We missed 50 to 80 pips. No problem, bro. Then also, we got opportunity to enter. So if you want a specific video on 915 EMA or moving averages, or how you can make use of these indicators, okay, so you can just let me know. So I will provide you a specific video on these topics, so that you know how you can use these indicators. My broker is not working, it got hanged. Adder, New York Open soon, be patient. as it will sweep Asia's highs. Okay, bro. Which broker you're using, bro? Which broker you're using, bro? Adder black, brother. But the you see, market is bullish. Market is bullish. You see, but now if we break this structure and we get a candle closing, so 5 minute structure will be lower low. Okay, so 5 minute structure will be bearish, but still we are bullish. We are expecting a pullback minimum at least until 50%. Okay, this is our 15-minute swing. Okay, bro. Okay, Vantage is good, bro. Namzi, I'm asking you why your broker is not working. Which broker you're using? Vantage and XM links are in the description. Okay, so if you guys want to support me, so you can use my link. So all the links are in the description. So okay, traders, once again we are making that bearish momentum to the downside. Okay, some bearish moves. So we want to take out this liquidity officially. Okay, bro. Okay, Namzi. Take your time. I noticed that if London does not, New York will do. Oh, 5169 after the sweep. Okay, bro. So Asia high is, over here. Asia, this is the Asian high, bro. This is the Asian official high. That is near around 5250. Okay, 5250. So all right, traders. So almost towards our liquidity. Okay, so basically, brother, we are using market structure. Okay, so market structure is our main. Okay, so as you can see, traders, I already told you we are going to break this liquidity structure. So now we want a closing below this. Okay, so now we want a closing below this for confirmation. And definitely I told you, traders, if we cannot hit this directly, okay, so we will be retracing and then we will be expecting a second move, or else we have 38% level also. So let me mark that level too. Bro, do you see my message? Yes, bro. Yes, bro. I can see your message clearly. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. I can see you. So what you can do is you can use Fibonacci like this. Okay, so we have 38% level also, because this is a big bullish swing. So price may respect this level also. Okay, so this is the level. So price may first price must give closing below this. Okay, so price can hit this 38% level and then create some retracement, and then again it might continue. Okay, or else directly market will hit these levels. So we are not confirmed. So let's see. US market already open. Okay, and as you can see traders, already we got the closing below this level. Okay, so this is the closing. So already this trend is confirmed. Okay, so already we got this change of character in the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, in the 5 minutes time frame. So this is not big time frame. So now you don't get involved in selling. Okay, so please, you don't get involved in selling. Now wait, bro. So now if this is a retracement, then you can get again involved into selling, or else now you don't think of selling. You wait patiently for buying. Okay, trend change. Yes bro, yes bro, trend change. Okay Twitter, so do we have any other levels over here? No. So what market can do is, you see this is the breakout. This was a liquidity grab also. Okay, so as you can see, so a lot of liquidity below this. Okay, so now when the market gave a breakout, so market can at least retrace until this level. Okay, so that's the least minimum retracement possible. Okay, so that the least retracement, and then the market might continue below. Okay, making a new lower low. So this structure is broken now. Okay, so this structure is broken now. So now we are following change of character downside. Okay traders, let's go traders, let's complete 20 likes. Let's go. So we already got 300 pips. Okay, so this move was of total 300 pips. So as you can see over here, so total 500 pips move. Okay, so still we are considering 300 pips only. Okay, all right traders, just give me a 5 minutes break. Okay, so I'll be back. traders, hello. So traders, as you can see, we already caught this move. Okay, so this move was of minimum 500 pips, but I'm expecting that you at least caught 200 to 300 pips. Okay, so with 0.01 lot, you're earning minimum $20 to $30. Okay, so same way with 0.10, you're earning 200 to $300. So same way with one standard lot, you're earning $2,000 to $3,000. Okay, so main thing is planning your trade. Okay, so then you can catch moves like this, super smooth moves. Okay, so main thing is your planning must be correct. Okay, traders. So traders, you haven't completed 20 likes yet. Let's go, traders. Hello, bro. Hello. Bro, we don't enter anywhere. Okay, so we enter only when when there's a possible setup. Okay, so you have set of rules, so you need to follow your rules strictly. Okay, so when you get a break of structure, so after retracement we enter. Okay, brother, so you need to learn a lot of things. Okay, so as a beginner, so now you focus on market structure. So first understand what is a bullish swing and what is a bearish swing. Okay, so first understand the basics. So first start with candles. Okay, so there are a lot of different types of candles. So first you start with candles. You start with pair. Okay, so different types of pair: base pair, coat pair. Okay, so you need to learn a lot of new thing, basic things. Okay, so then only you can start supply, demand and other things. Okay, yes bro, we already got the profit, bro. Yes, already got the big profit. So you can replay our stream and you can see I clearly mentioned that we are going to take this retracement from yesterday onwards. From yesterday stream, I'm telling you that we are going to make a retracement downwards. Okay, but yesterday also I told you only to enter when you see a break of structure in the small time frame. Okay, all right traders, so that's it for today. So we'll be ending this stream. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be covering our stream, most probably in the London session. If not, US session is fixed. Okay, so that will be 100% sure, but we will try to cover from the London session itself. Okay, so this was a beautiful trade. Okay, so 500 pips is not a small amount. Okay, with 0.01 $30-40 is a very big amount. Okay traders, so make sure you now you see we have a lot of probabilities, as I have mentioned you already. So we have a lot of probabilities below. So if you watch my stream regularly, so you'll come to know each and everything. Okay traders, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, and until now you haven't completed 20 likes. Let's go traders, smash that like button and make sure you join our Telegram channel. So tomorrow again we will be live, and don't worry, we will be covering Asian and London session also. Okay, so till then, peace out. Let's go traders, I'll catch you tomorrow.